Welcome! In this trigonometry lesson, we are going to explore the double angle formula for the tangent function. Specifically, we will learn how to express the tangent of 2 theta in terms of the tangent of theta. To begin, we need to recall a fundamental identity, the sum formula for tangent. This formula tells us that the tangent of the sum of 2 angles, a plus b, is equal to the fraction where the numerator is tangent, a plus tangent b, and the denominator is 1 minus the product of tangent a and tangent b. Here is our strategy. We want to find a formula for tangent of 2 theta. We can cleverly rewrite the angle 2 theta as simply theta plus theta. By doing this, we can apply our sum formula where both angle A and angle B are equal to theta. Let us perform the substitution. We take the sum formula and replace every instance of A with theta and every instance of B with theta. This gives us tangent of theta plus theta equals tangent theta plus tangent theta, all divided by 1 minus tangent theta times tangent theta. Now let us simplify the expression, starting with the numerator. We have tangent theta plus tangent theta. Just like adding a variable x to itself gives 2x, adding tangent theta to itself gives us 2 times tangent theta. Next, we look at the denominator. We have 1 minus the product of tangent theta and tangent theta. When we multiply a term by itself, we square it. So, tangent theta times tangent theta becomes tangent squared theta. Our denominator simplifies to 1 minus tangent squared theta. Putting it all together, we arrive at the final double angle identity. Tangent of 2 theta is equal to 2 times tangent theta, divided by 1 minus tangent squared theta. This powerful formula allows us to calculate the tangent of a double angle, knowing only the tangent of the single angle. Let us try a practice problem. Suppose we know that tangent of theta equals 3, and we want to find tangent of 2 theta. We simply plug the value 3 into our formula. The numerator becomes 2 times 3, which is 6. The denominator becomes 1 minus 3 squared, which is 1 minus 9, or negative 8. Simplifying 6 over negative 8 gives us negative 3/4, or negative 0.75. It is important to keep in mind the constraints of this formula. The formula is undefined if the denominator is 0. This happens when tangent squared theta equals 1. Geometrically, this occurs at angles like 45 degrees or 135 degrees, where the tangent function is either 1 or negative 1. At these points, 2 theta would be 90 or 270 degrees, where the tangent function is undefined. To summarize, we derived the double angle formula for tangent by using the sum identity and setting both angles to theta. Remember this formula. Tangent 2 theta equals 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta. It is a vital tool for solving more complex trigonometric equations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.